Welcome back, friends. I'm starting off this design and I'm going to go to my elements section and I'm going to search for winter mountains. And I'm going to place this on my workspace. And I'm going to take this image and I'm going to stretch it out on my workspace like this. I'm going to go back to my elements section and I'm going to search for a zipper opening. And I'll choose this photo right here. I'm going to put this down like this. And I'm going to make it a little bit larger to fit the page like that. I'm now going to grab a couple of shapes. So I'll press R just to place a rectangle on my workspace. And I'm going to see what shapes we have that I can use to cover the majority of this design. So I'm going to start off with a triangle, and I'm going to place this triangle right down here in the bottom. I'm going to make it a little bit more narrower. And the objective is just to cover the whole pathway of the zipper as much as possible. And I'll add another. Basically, you're just trying to find shapes that are going to fit to cover the zipper. And this may take you a couple of tries. And we just need a little triangle for that area right there. But I'm going to take this. I'm going to put that down there. And I'll put that like that. All right, so now we're going to go to position and layers. And what we're going to do is we're going to take all of those and we are going to make them white. So I'll come here and I'll make them white. I'm going to go back to position and layers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that zipper and I'm going to bring it right up top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to grab everything on my workspace. So I'm going to go to position and I'm going to grab everything and I'm going to make it smaller so that there is space all the way around my design. I'm now going to download this as a PNG. I'll add another page. I'll wait for that to download. I'm going to grab the design and bring it on my workspace. And once it's finished uploading, I'm going to remove the background. All right, let's go back into background remover just to give it a check. And there you go. That white area has been removed and now it's see-through. All right, so we're now going to just crop it a little bit, make it a little bit neater. Like this. I'm now going to go over to elements and I'm going to search for a forest. And I'll click see all. And I think I will select that one. I'm going to set this image as my background. And now I'm going to grab this image and I'm just going to place it right on top. Like this. Let's take a closer look at that. So here it is. And that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, and if you learned anything in this tutorial, press that like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. All right. For now, my friends, I will say bye-bye until next time.